Hello students, today I will start chapter number 12 of your reasoning book, that is direction test. Let's see the question number 1. Rohan walks a distance of 3 km towards north, then turns to his left and walks 2 km. He again turns left and walks for 3 km. At this end point, he turns to his left and walks for again 3 km. How many kilometers is he from the starting point? Is when for this question there are four options A, B, C and D. Let's see the solution of this question. For the solution of this question, student, firstly you have to draw this direction diagram. That means east, west, north and south. After making this diagram, let's see the solution of this question. Student, according to the question, Rohan walks a distance of 3 km towards north. That means O is the starting point of Rohan, and he is walking towards north direction. That means from O to A. And how much he moves? 3 km. Okay students, now he is standing in north direction. In which point? A point. After this, the question told you, then turns to his left. That means from A, he moves left. That means in this direction. That means west direction. And walks for 2 km. How much he walks? 2 km. Now he reaches at which point? B point. Now, students, Rohan is standing on which point? B point. That means here. He again turns his left. That means now he turns left. That means in which this direction, and walks for 3 km. And walks for 3 km. Now he reach on which point? C point. According to the question, now he is standing on which point? C point. Okay students. After this, the question told you, at this point he turns to his left and walks 3 km. At this point he turns to his left. That means now he is standing on which point? C point, and he turns to his left. That means in which direction? This direction. And how much he has to move? 3 km. That means this is 3 km. You can see 2 is here and 1 is here. Total is 3. Now he reach on which point? D point. Finally he is on D point, students. So students, according to the question, what was his starting point? The starting point is O, and what is his end point? The end point is D. That means from O to D, the distance from O to D is 1 km. So the solution of this question is 1 km. That means option number A. Student, now let's see the question number 2. A man is facing west. He turns 45 degree in the clockwise direction, and then another 180 degree in the same direction, and then 270 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. Which direction is he facing now? Let's see the solution of this question. Student, for the solution of this question, firstly we have to draw this diagram. We have to draw the direction like north, south, east and west. Then we have to make another directions like northwest, northeast, southeast, southwest. After making this diagram, we have to solve the question. Let's see. For the solution of this question, students, I want to inform you that if we standing in the north and we standing in the east, the angle between them is 90 degree. That means north to east the angle is 90 degree. Similarly, east to south the angle is 90 degree. Then south to west angle is 90 degree, and west to north the angle is 90 degree. That means each two direction the angle is always 90 degree. Let's see in between the angle. This is 90 degrees, students. That means this angle is 45 degree. That means here will be 45 degree. Similarly, this and this is 45, 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 this and this is 45. Let's see students solution of this question. For the solution of this question, firstly let's see the first line. A man is facing towards west. That means man is standing in the west. That means here he is standing and turns 45-degree clockwise. Clockwise means from here to here. It is called 45-degree. So now he is in which direction? Northwest. Again 180-degree clockwise. From here he have to move 180-degree clockwise. That means from here to here. That means now he is standing in southeast direction. Then turns 270-degree anti-clockwise. From here he will move 270-degree. It is 180 and till here it is total 270-degree. The last line of the question is, in which direction is he facing now? So now he is standing in which direction? He is standing in the direction southwest. So the solution of this question is southwest. That means option number D. Now students, let's see the next question, that is question number 3. If southeast is called east, northwest is called west, southwest is called south, and so on, what will north be called? Let's see the solution of this question. Student, for the solution of this question, firstly you have to make this diagram. This direction diagram we have to make like east, west, north, south. Then we have to make more direction like northwest, southeast, northeast and southwest. Now let's see the solution. Read the first line of the question. If southeast is called east, students, you can see southeast is here. If southeast is called east, that means from southeast to east we have to move 45-degree, and in which direction? Anti-clockwise direction. Now let's see the next part. Northwest is called west. That means northwest is called west. Again we have to move 45-degree, and in which direction? Anti-clockwise direction. Again northwest to west, that means 45-degree we have to move in anti-clockwise direction. Then according to the question, southwest is called south. Southwest is called south. Then again we have to move how much? 45-degree, and in which direction? Anti-clockwise direction. That means according to the question, the last line of the question is, what will north be called? Is when you can see north is here and we have to move anti-clockwise and 45-degree. That means now we are on which point? Northwest point. So the option of this question is C option. That means north. Now student, let's see the next question. Ramesh starts his journey by walking 2 kilometers towards north. Then he takes a right turn and walks 1 kilometer. Again takes a right turn and walks 2 kilometers. Now which direction is he facing? There are 4 options given in this question. Let's see the solution of this question. For the solution of this question, firstly we have to make this direction diagram, students. That means east, west, north, south. Let's see the question. Students, this question is similar in your book, but only name is changed. In your book the name is Sonia and here is the name Ramesh. Let's see the question. Ramesh started from her house and walked 2 kilometers towards north. That means suppose Ramesh is standing here and he walks towards north direction. That means in which direction? In this direction. Suppose now he is here. That means in which point? A point. He moves from O to A. O is his starting point. O to A. In which direction? North direction. And how much he moved? 2 kilometers. Okay students. Now he is standing in which direction? North direction, and his point is A. Let's see rest part of the question. After this, the question told you he took a right turn and covered 1 kilometer distance. That means for the right direction, where he has to move in east direction. That means from A to this direction he has to move. Okay student, that means he is standing now A point, this point, and he has to move 1 kilometer. Okay, now he is standing in B point. That means in which direction? East. Then he again took a right turn. Right turn means he moves towards in which direction? This direction. Now he reached on which point? C point, and walked for how much? 2 kilometer. 2 kilometer. Now he is on which point? C point, and his direction is this. That means this direction is called south. You can see here. So according to the question asks you in which direction is he now going. That means he is going now in south direction. South means option number C is right for this question.